My dear citizens of Edo State, we come from a lineage of greatness. Our ancestors built the old Benin Empire on bold ideas, breathtaking innovations, and matchless diligence. From the great moats of Benin to the world-famous Benin bronze works, our ancestors dominated their time, led the Nigerian dream from the front, and created a novel frontier for our future. When Edo was created in 1991, our brilliant leaders, fully aware of our ancestral destiny, named us the heartbeat of the nation. That was not an ordinary slogan, it was a call to destiny, a mandate that we must collectively achieve. As your deputy governor in the last 7 years, I have had the privilege of working closely with our amiable governor, His Excellency Governor Godwin Obaseki, to lay a solid foundation for the progress in Edo State. Under our administration, we have seen remarkable achievements and milestones, but there's still much work to be done. I'm aware of the needs by the greater Edo people for a more inclusive government, a government of Edo people, by Edo people, and for Edo people, a government of individuals who have been there and know the pains and wishes of an average Edolite. A government together with greater Edo people will reignite the Edo spirit and transform our tomorrow. Since my foray into politics 3 decades ago, I have lived among you. You have loved me as your own son. I felt your pain at close quarters, sat with the elders to benefit from their words of wisdom, led the youth in many struggles for their rights, visibility, and freedom, learn the intricacies of modern governance, and build adequate service capacity. You all are witnesses to my antecedent in government. When the waters of Lado Dam flooded our land and threatened our means of livelihood, I led emergency response team that managed the impact and kept in check and continued to be involved in most humanitarian issues within the state. When COVID-19 came to threaten our very existence, I put my life on the line in its very early days when protection was not available, and worked to restore calm and order in the isolation centers. Our sporting treasure, Bender Insurance, became my responsibility at some point within this administration. Through strategic management and relentless commitment, we have returned Bender Insurance to the height of glory it belongs. When kidnappers took some of our citizens from Obiaja and Igwebe train station, I worked with the rescue team, led the rescue mission from the front, and brought back kidnapped citizens safe and sound. Under my supervision as deputy governor, our internally generated revenue has grown impressively thanks to the introduction of digital and cutting-edge ideas. Back in the days, you didn't just call me Mr. Constituency Project for nothing. In my time as a legislator, I delivered 49 constituency projects at the state level and 13 solid constituency projects within my short stint at the federal level. I fought the good fight for you, my people. Along the way, suffered humiliation and enjoyed many moments of victory, but I am thankful in all things. I have been pressed, but not crushed, persecuted, but not abandoned, badly hurt, but not destroyed. I resonate with the tireless and irrepressible spirit of Edo people. By the grace of God, nothing and no one can stop us. After all, I be original Edo son, 100% own boy. This is why today I stand before you with great conviction, resolved, as I declare my intention to run for the office of the Governor of Edo State under the platform of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, in the upcoming 2024 election. I am confident with your support, we can take Edo State to even greater heights. My fellow citizens and party faithfuls, our campaign will be built on 5 core pillars, each vital to the transformation and prosperity of our beloved state. The first pillar of our agenda is infrastructural development and economic diversification. We will commit ourselves to building modern and sustainable infrastructure that drive economic growth and enhance quality of life. By diversifying our economy and exploring new sectors for growth, we will create more jobs and economic prosperity for all. Education, sport, skill development, and job creation form the second pillar of our agenda. We believe that every child deserves quality education that will equip them with the skills necessary to thrive in a rapidly evolving world. We will prioritize the revitalization of our educational system, ensuring that no child is left behind. We will restore the glory of EDO in sports sector by ensuring that, just like Bender Insurance, other aspects of sport will be given priority so that our teeming young people will be able to showcase their potentials and make a living through sport. In the same vein, we will ensure that our youth are empowered with the necessary skills to compete in the global job market. The third pillar of our agenda is healthcare and social welfare systems. We recognize that a strong society takes care of its most vulnerable citizens. We will ignite a comprehensively overhaul of our healthcare system, ensuring accessibility, affordability, and quality healthcare for all. Furthermore, we will implement social welfare programs that support those in need, provide safety net for our people. Agriculture, rural development, and poverty alleviation constitute the fourth pillar of our agenda. We pledge our commitment to empower our farmers, promote sustainable practice, and enhance food security for our state. Through agricultural initiatives, we will create opportunities for economic growth, work towards alleviating poverty in our rural communities. Lastly, security, environmental sustainability, transparent governance is the fifth pillar of our agenda. The safety and security of our citizens is utmost important. We will strengthen law enforcement and implement community policing strategies to ensure the protection of all our people. Additionally, we will prioritize environmental sustainability while conserving our natural resources for the future generations. We will govern with transparency, accountability, and establish a culture of trust between the government and the people. My fellow citizens, comrades, party faithful, these 5 pillars of our agenda, among others, represent the values and priorities that we hold there as Edolites. They represent our commitment to building a prosperous, inclusive, and viable future for all. To our traditional rulers and religious leaders, we acknowledge your place in the development of our state, and we would ensure that under our watch, our ancestral heritage is promoted and preserved. Therefore, it is time for us to rise above partisanship, sentiment, and unite under the banner of progress and development. Let us all come together to build a brighter future for ourselves, for generations to come. My dear people of Edo State, this declaration is not just a political affair. It is a call to destiny, a call to become the heartbeat of this nation, not just in words, but in deed. Therefore, I humbly seek your support, your trust, your nomination in this upcoming election, as we embark on this journey together, united in our determination to make Edo State a better place for ourselves and the generation to come. I am Philip Shaibu, your guy, your 100% own boy. Together we will ignite the Edo spirit and transform our tomorrow. Thank you God bless the People's Democratic Party. God bless Edo State. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.